Health mysteries can be confusing, especially when it comes to creatine, creatinine, and carnitine. Their names sound alike, but their roles in your body are anything but similar. Today we're diving into a topic that often leaves people scratching their heads, even those who are really into health and wellness. It's all about creatine, creatinine, and carnitine. These three are often confused, and for good reason. Their names sound remarkably similar, a real tongue twister, but beneath the surface they're very different substances, each playing unique and vital roles in keeping your body running smoothly. They each contribute to different physiological processes. I constantly hear people asking questions like, do creatine supplements actually affect my creatinine levels? Or, is carnitine just another form of creatine, perhaps a slightly different version? It's incredibly easy to mix them up, I totally get it. But understanding the difference between them is absolutely crucial. It's the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of your own body. This knowledge is power, directly impacting your health, helping you achieve your fitness goals, and accurately interpreting those sometimes confusing lab results. Think of them as three highly specialized doctors working in the same hospital. One is all about providing you with rapid energy when you need it most. Another is focused on reporting on the overall health and function of your kidneys. And the third is like a specialized transportation system, efficiently transporting fuel to your cells. In this video, we're going to meticulously break down exactly what each of these substances does in your body. We'll explore why each one matters to your overall well-being, and give you some easy-to-remember strategies for keeping them straight in your mind. We're committed to using simple language and clear analogies throughout this video. You won't find any complicated biochemistry jargon here, I promise. By the time you reach the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently explain the difference between these three C's to anyone who asks. You'll have total clarity and a solid understanding of their individual roles. So, let's start by defining each one in the simplest terms possible, stripping away all the unnecessary complexity. We'll take a look at how your body naturally makes them, the internal processes involved. We'll also explore where they come from in your diet, the foods you eat that contribute to their presence in your body, and finally we'll discuss what their levels as measured in lab tests actually mean for your health. Ready to get started and clear up the confusion once and for all? Let's dive in. Let's define each molecule in plain language, breaking down their roles and functions within the body. We'll explore what makes each one unique and how they contribute to your overall health and performance. Creatine is a natural substance, a compound found naturally in your muscle cells. It's a vital player that helps your muscles produce quick energy during intense exercise, providing that extra boost when you need it most. Think of it as a readily available fuel source for high-intensity activities. Your body makes it, synthesizing creatine from amino acids, and you get more from eating meat and fish, which are excellent dietary sources of creatine. So, a balanced diet contributes to your body's creatine stores. Creatine is your body's rapid-fire fuel, the go-to energy source for those moments when you need immediate power. It's specifically designed for short, explosive movements like sprinting, jumping, or lifting heavy weights. It's the power behind those bursts of strength. Creatinine, on the other hand, is a waste product, a byproduct of creatine metabolism. It's what's left after your muscles use creatine, a natural consequence of energy production. Think of it as the exhaust fumes from a high-performance engine. It travels in your blood to your kidneys, where it awaits removal from the body. The kidneys diligently filter it out, ensuring that waste products don't accumulate to harmful levels. Creatinine levels tell us how well your kidneys are working, providing valuable insights into kidney function and overall health. Elevated levels can indicate potential kidney issues. Carnitine is different, a distinct molecule with a unique role in energy metabolism. It's a transport system for fat, acting as a crucial facilitator in the fat-burning process. Its main job is to shuttle fatty acids, the building blocks of fat, into your cell's power plants, the mitochondria, the energy-producing centers within each cell. This allows you to burn fat for energy, converting stored fat into usable fuel for your body. You make carnitine from amino acids and get it from animal products, highlighting the importance of a balanced diet in supporting carnitine production. So, creatine is for quick energy, providing that immediate power boost for intense activities. Creatinine is a waste marker indicating the breakdown of creatine and providing insights into kidney function, and carnitine helps burn fat for longer-lasting energy, supporting endurance and sustained physical activity. Each is unique and not interchangeable, playing distinct roles in your body's complex energy systems. Understanding this is the first step to clearing up confusion. allowing you to make informed decisions about your health and fitness. Let's look closer at each one, delving deeper into their individual functions and how they impact your body. Let's zoom in on creatine. When you lift heavy or sprint, your muscles need energy fast. ATP is your body's energy currency, but it runs out quickly. Creatine, stored as phosphocreatine in your muscles, helps rapidly recharge ATP so you can keep going for a few more seconds. This is why creatine is so popular with athletes. It boosts strength and power for short, intense efforts. Supplementing with creatine increases your muscle stores, improving performance in high-intensity activities. It's not a steroid, it's just topping off your natural energy reserve. Research also suggests creatine may help with brain function and support muscle health as we age. It's not just for bodybuilders. Creatine's benefits extend to anyone wanting to stay strong and sharp. That's why it's one of the most studied and trusted supplements out there. Now let's talk about creatinine. Creatinine isn't used for energy, it's a byproduct. As your muscles use creatine, some breaks down into creatinine at a steady rate. The more muscle you have, the more creatinine you produce. Creatinine enters your bloodstream and is filtered out by your kidneys. Doctors measure creatinine to check kidney function, a key part of routine blood tests. If your kidneys aren't working well, creatinine builds up in your blood. High creatinine can signal kidney problems, but context matters. More muscle, creatine supplements, or dehydration can also raise creatinine levels. That's why your doctor considers your muscle mass, diet, and hydration when interpreting results. Creatinine is a health marker, not a performance booster. It's important to know what your numbers mean. Next, let's look at carnitine. Carnitine's job is to move fat into your cell's power plants, the mitochondria, so it can be burned for energy. Think of carnitine as a taxi for fatty acids. Without it, your body can't efficiently use fat for fuel. This system powers long-duration activities like jogging or cycling. Your body makes carnitine from amino acids, and you get more from animal foods, especially red meat. True deficiency is rare, but vegetarians and vegans may have lower levels. Carnitine supplements are popular for weight loss and endurance, but the evidence is mixed. It's essential for fat metabolism and steady energy, not quick bursts. Research is also exploring carnitine's role in heart and brain health. Now let's use some analogies to make these roles stick. Let's use some mental images, vivid analogies to keep these molecules straight in our minds. Sometimes the abstract world of biochemistry can be a little easier to grasp when we relate it to something more tangible, something we can visualize. Creatine is like the NOS button in a race car. Hit it for a quick, powerful burst of speed. It's that immediate surge of energy when you need it most. That extra push to get you across the finish line. Think of it as your body's instant power-up. Creatinine, on the other hand, is the exhaust smoke. It's the byproduct of creatine being used for energy. The more you use the engine, the harder it works, the more smoke you see. It's a natural consequence of activity. Measuring creatinine levels tells you how well your engine's filter, your kidneys, is working. Are they efficiently clearing out the waste, or is there a buildup? It's a key indicator of kidney function. Now, let's shift gears. Carnitine is like a fleet of dump trucks. These trucks are hauling coal, fat, into the power plant, mitochondria. They're responsible for getting the fuel where it needs to go. The mitochondria then uses that fuel to generate energy, to keep the lights on for the long haul. It's a continuous process, essential for cellular function. Without carnitine, the fuel, the fat, can't get to where it's needed. The power plant grinds to a halt, and energy production suffers. So creatine is your power boost, that immediate jolt of energy. Creatinine is the health report, a marker of how well your kidneys are filtering waste. And carnitine is your fat fuel delivery system, ensuring your cells have the energy they need to function optimally. These analogies make it easy to remember their distinct roles in the body. Quick energy, health marker, and fat transport, three very different jobs, each playing a crucial role in maintaining overall health and energy levels. Keep these images in mind, and you'll never mix them up again. They'll serve as a handy reminder of the unique functions of each molecule. Now, why do health enthusiasts care so much about creatine and carnitine? What makes them so popular in the world of fitness and wellness? Let's delve deeper and find out. We'll explore the reasons behind their widespread use and the potential benefits they offer. Health and fitness fans love creatine and carnitine because they target the body's core energy systems. Creatine is backed by tons of research. It boosts strength and power and muscle growth and may help keep your brain sharp as you age. It's also useful for fighting age-related muscle loss. Carnitine appeals to those wanting better fat burning and endurance. Endurance athletes hope it helps them use fat for fuel and go longer before running out of energy. There's also interest in Carnitine for heart health and energy as we age. Both supplements are tools for optimizing performance and longevity, but they work in different ways. Understanding their roles helps you use them wisely. Now, let's clear up some common myths. Let's bust some myths. Creatine is not a steroid. It's a natural compound your body makes and is found in foods like meat and fish. It's safe and well-studied when used properly. Some worry creatine damages kidneys, but research shows it's safe for healthy people. Creatine supplements can raise creatinine levels, but that's just a sign of more creatine being used, not kidney damage. Always tell your doctor if you're taking it so they can interpret your labs correctly. Another myth: creatine causes dehydration or cramps. Studies show it actually helps hydrate muscles and doesn't increase cramping risk. Carnitine isn't a magic weight loss pill. It helps your body use fat for fuel, but won't cause major weight loss without diet and exercise. Its benefits are modest and work best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Understanding these facts helps set realistic expectations. Use these supplements as tools, not shortcuts. Let's wrap up with a quick cheat sheet. Creatine Rapid Energy for short, intense activity, your muscles power booster. Creatinine, the waste product, your kidney health marker. Carnitine, the fat transporter, delivers fuel for endurance and steady energy. They sound similar but have totally different jobs. Creatine is for power, Carnitine is for stamina, and Creatinine is for diagnostics. Health enthusiasts use creatine for strength and brain health, Carnitine for fat burning and endurance, and watch creatinine to monitor kidney function. Remember, they're not interchangeable. Knowing the difference helps you make smarter choices about supplements and your health. Now you can confidently explain the 3 C's to anyone. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health.